Hello.
स्कैन समथिंग मैंने स्कूल का भेजना है। Scan. Give me the map.
Yes,
I
again.
have to upload. It's due tonight.
No, stop.
I can use that day today.
बस कर उसको क्यों ठीक है उसको क्यों ऐसे खेल रहे हेलो हाँ
Hello, Noop.
Hey,
Sorry for delay.
no problem, man.
Yeah, go to type in a search box XML management something XML.
XML.
Yeah. Yeah, can you see XML management interface?
Okay, yeah.
Click on that. First, we need to enable it.
Okay.
So click enable.
Okay.
The IP should be fine. If you want, you can configure to 151. Otherwise, just leave it. And the port number should be 5550. That's okay. That's a default port.
Should I change the IP to the real one?
Full box. It doesn't need it.
Okay.
Come down, scroll down. So if you want WS management endpoint, check that as well.
Okay.
The other things are SOAP management and Wisdom we are not going to use, UDDA we are not going to use. AI service level monitoring, appliance management, AMP means appliance management port. So everything that's fine. Go up and save, apply. So now you have enabled the XML management, which is the web service based database administration.
So I will save the config.
Yes.
Okay.
Now we need the WSDL for that to manage the administration.
Okay.
So go to file directory.
Okay. File directory would be control panel. Right? File management. Yeah.
Yes.
Local.
No. Go to expand store.
Yeah.
And there is you can see a APP management protocol version 2. So download all APP in same folder.
Okay. So download.
You have to download one by one.
Okay. So download.
Right click and save target as.
Okay.
Go there, go up. Yeah.
So just like this.
Right click the link.
Oh, okay. Save link as.
Yeah.
Okay. So I will copy it into some sort of.
Saving is a text document, but you need to put .wsdl. Create a new folder for this.
Okay.
Put double colon. No, it won't save your setup. Okay, it saved as a WSDL.
Okay.
I think so. So in folder.
Where's Dell?
Okay, that's good. So download the remaining XSDs, WSDL XSD.
Anything with APP, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
If it's XSD, save it as XSD. It's a WSDL, save it as a WSDL. Okay.
Okay.
What is APP means? APP MGMT means appliance management. What is appliance management? Okay, download, I will tell you.
How did the scanner not work? When was the last time you used it? No.
Okay. So it's downloaded. So let me go check it, right, in the folder.
Hold on. So what is app-mgmt means appliance management.
Okay.
So what is appliance management means you can manage your appliance, the data per appliance. You can start the appliance, stop the appliance, and you can reboot the appliance. All the appliance can be managed here. Okay.
Yeah.
And also the web management is also there. Go down, scroll down on the store.
Yeah.
Scroll till W. Yeah. Can you see XML management?
Yeah. 2004 object.
Do the same thing for all XML management.
So anything XML management, right?
Yeah, do all.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I think it's Visual or XSD.
XSD.
Oh, okay.
Now this one is wisdom. Okay.
Okay, now open SOAP UI.
Okay.
Let me know how many visitors you have. I think you have 4 visitors now, right?
Let's see. Let me check the folder. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, that's fine. Don't open it. Don't open it.
Oh, okay. Okay. Stupid thing started. Okay, let me start the SOAP UI. Okay, SOAP UI.
It didn't have my signature on it.
Hello?
Yes, I am here.
Yeah. Okay, so should I create a brand new project or?
Yeah, create a new soap project.
No, so project. Call it
Browse
XML. Sorry?
click browse on Vistal.
Okay.
So import all for 6 Vistals.
Okay.
So each one will be created a separate soap project. That's fine. Okay.
That's fine, right? Okay. Um, Okay, I think all 4 got in. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You said 6, right? 5 or 6?
Actually 4. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
and 5. So there is one more. Let me find out where it
I
is.
think you just did 5, right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I thought I 6.
That's all we have.
1, 2,
5.
3, 4. Okay.
Okay. Go there and first let's open XML management.
Okay.
Expand it. Go to operations. Double click. Let's see what is there.
Request.
So it's a kind of user password. So this is for management soap.
Okay.
Get file, set file. So this is not really we need. We will take a look at that later because this is for the deployment purpose. Okay, we don't need it now. Close it. And expand the management 2004. I think this is also it's all the AAA policy domain.
More policy, right?
Yeah. SAML attributes. So this is not needed. We are not going to do this here.
Okay.
Close it. So go to appliance management, the first one.
Protocol.
Yeah. So here just we will start with ping.
Ping. Okay.
There's a ping operation called ping, right? Can you see the
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Open it. Try to ping the data box, okay?
Okay. So I would need the IP address.
No, what is the subscription IP?
Subscription ID. What does this mean?
I don't know what is subscription ID means.
It may be the IP address, no?
No, it's not IP. Close it. Let's make a very simple one. Get device info. Click on get device info. Well, I think this is a ping for the troubleshooting. Google.com something.
Oh, I see. You want me to do Google?
No. First get the device info.
Okay.
So this is have nothing, right? So this is what we need. So instead of localhost :port, put your IP and your port.
Okay.
Click add endpoint so that it will be saved. Otherwise, it will not be saved.
$51?
Yes. 5550 is the port.
Okay. So here usually in the WSDL you have the, okay, so somewhere in the endpoint.
Yeah, it's a get device info request. You are getting a device info, doesn't need any input.
Okay. Just say okay now. Hit it here.
Execute it.
Access denied.
Yeah, because there is no username password. Let's try to see. Just expand the properties, request properties, down. There's a table in the properties, right? Left and down.
Oh, okay. Get
Down. All the way down. Yeah. There is a username and password, right?
yes, username and
Type your
password.
username and password.
Here, question mark.
No. Username. There is a field called username.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Yeah.
Type admin. Small.
Yeah.
Scroll down. Type password.
Okay. Save it.
Authentication type. Scroll down. No, double click authenticate. No, scroll down it. If you click, it will be scroll down.
Double click? No. Authentication type.
Double click on that. No authorization. Double click. No authorization. Nothing happens, right?
No.
Okay. Password type. Go to password type. WSS password type.
Oh, okay.
Scroll down. Select password text.
Okay.
Okay. Try now. Okay. Here it doesn't accept the password text. It's something accept the encrypted way. Okay.
Okay.
So go and remove all the things. Password text. Change the password text to none.
Okay.
And remove username and password from here.
Okay.
Okay, now in the request tab, come here, right hand side. Click. There's a headers, right? Bottom.
Yeah.
Click plus sign. Add a new header.
Mm-hmm.
Type authorization, capital A, and remaining small. Okay. And here we need to do a value. First, give go to Google. Type base 64 encode.
Google is coming. The base 64
encode.
Mm-hmm.
So click the link online. Base 64 decode encode.org. Yeah. Okay, here type your username, admin,
Yeah.
colon,
Yeah.
password. Click encode.
Okay.
Copy the whole value. Go to SOAP UI.
Paste it.
Yeah. No. Type basic first. B caps. Basic. Space.
Yeah.
Paste it.
Paste.
Type enter. Now try it.
Oh. Nice.
Okay.
Mm.
So this is the security how to pass it on the header. Authorization and your encrypted username and password with base 64 level.
I see. So can I ask you a question, even though it's a little unrelated to this?
Mm-hmm.
So remember how we created the XML firewall yesterday?
Yes.
And on the client side, we gave an IP address that I will be hitting from the browser.
Mm-hmm.
On the other side, we gave the Google, not Google, but the WSF, the actual web service where you want to go.
Yes.
Now, if we have in production, let's say simple case we have in, so there is one person, I issue the request. The request goes to the weather web service, and I type in Pittsburgh, so I get the response. But if there are hundreds or thousands of users, each typing some type Toronto, some type Pittsburgh, how does DataPower because from a browser, I'm not going to the web service, I'm going to the DataPower. And DataPower, how will it know that my request doesn't mix with your request or somebody else? You see my point?
Yeah, it's all sequence. It's all sequence flow.
Okay. So DataPower remembers who the request is?
Once your request comes,
okay,
until your request will be processed, your request will be processed. It won't get another request. It can handle multiple requests, but it's not take your request and go another request without before your request.
Oh, so it's only one person at a time then, right?
Not like that. It can able to handle multiple requests at a time.
Okay.
But each request will be completed at a single time.
So if I say Pittsburgh, it will run for, it's like single thread. I get the one thread, I get the response. You come and you enter Jackson, you get Jackson.
Yes.
Okay, but I didn't put any code in there. It automatically remembers that where it is coming.
Yeah, because it's a request and response web service format, right?
Right.
So where the request is coming, the same way the response has to go, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. And so it's scalable. So let's say if millions of users come in with millions of requests, it will respond back that fast.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you. Because I was thinking, I did not.
Even you web services works like the same way, right? You can create a simple hello world web service. It works like the same way, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now you can see the appliance features.
Mm-hmm. I'm
So the
looking.
same way you have to you have to do the authorization header. You have to pass in all the things. Like
see.
if you want to get domain list, you can try get domain list now.
Okay. I'm gonna do that. Get domain list. Okay. Here I will create. So what is the difference between the request property and request header?
The request header will be part of the HTTP header,
I see. Okay.
and but the property is part of the. It's a kind of XML tied up with XML. Okay.
But we don't see the request property on this window, right? Here I don't see any request property.
I will tell you the next example. When we do exercise, you will see that.
Okay, it's okay. Let me create a new endpoint.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it's already there. You can drop down.
Okay.
You select that. Yeah.
Okay.
Just you need to add a header.
Add a header, right? Okay. So authorization and the value would be basic.
Copy the same. Yeah.
Okay. Enter. And
So you have only one domain name.
I see. Okay. If I have 4, it will show me 4, right?
Yeah. You can try to create why can't you create a domain from here?
Okay. I've never done that, but let me try that. So domain would be in the domain config. Okay.
No. It's a get domain config. There's something called create domain.
Okay. Restart domain, set domain, set.
No.
Okay.
It's a config, set domain config. It's
Compare config, delete domain, get device.
you should be having something called create domain. Otherwise, check with version 2.
I see.
Here you should have a create domain or delete domain, something like that.
Delete, get. It's saying set domain.
No, set domain config. It's not on. Check with version 4. It has a delete domain, but let's see. Version 3 should have a create domain at least.
Start domain.
Does it have any users?
No, I don't see it.
No, it should have a create user, delete user, something like that.
Nothing, man.
No, it should be there.
Okay. Maybe there is fourth one. XML management.
No, that's not a one. Appliance manage itself, you can able to see that.
Okay, let me see.
Appliance management.
Appliance protocol. Not in here. Version 2. Reboot, reinitial, restart, secure. Get log. secure backup and get mm, I see.
I think there should be an option to create a domain.
Get domain listing? No. Delete, they freaking have a delete domain, but they don't have a create. You see? Can I change this to from create to delete and see what the hell happens? No?
I'm not sure it's going to be okay or not, but you can try it.
Oh, I see. I mean, what can it happen? So I can change.
Clone before making the request, just clone the request. Right click
Okay. So right click the request.
and clone request.
Okay. So call it.
Create domain, yeah.
Let's see. Okay.
Now
And I change this to create, right?
Yeah.
Create. But I'm not sure if the XSDs are. These are XSDs, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so call it Anoop, right? Let's say what happens, right?
Okay. Try add header and change endpoint.
I see. Authorization.
No, it should be already available.
Okay.
Drop down and select it. Click the drop down and select it. No, click the drop down. It should be there.
Edit current?
No, it's not there.
No.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, because it's a different domain. Okay. Right. Add new endpoint. Different project. We did it on a different project, right?
Mm-hmm. So should I just do it, this?
And do it add a new endpoint.
Yeah.
Do add a new endpoint.
Okay. And then change it here?
Yes.
192.168.2.151.
Colon 5550.
Sorry?
Colon 5550 port.
Yeah. Okay. Hit it, right?
Mm.
Internal error.
I think there is a handbook available in Google. You can go and search it. SOMA.
Soma. Soma DataPower?
Yeah, DataPower SOMA or DataPower XML management. Type DataPower XML management. Yeah, XML management interface. Yeah, click it.
Visual?
No, interface. Click the red book.
Harman. Okay.
It should be having something.
Search.
No, it's 53 page only. You can scroll down.
Okay.
No, here you can see whether the in the table of contents, see what plus
Basic endpoints, right?
yeah.
Third page.
These are all be done, right?
This is more command line. We have seen it. How to say this one. Setup Linux. So this is what is curl? CURL. Is it same as our this?
Yeah. So pure request.
Okay. Okay. Because my guy, he uses curl sometimes. I see him doing, right? He says, oh, curl, quickly goes.
Scroll down.
This one, get the domain list. Get domain list. Maybe they don't let you create, man. Domain response.
I think.
Maybe security, right? Like any start domain. Enabled. The request sets the admin state of the to enabled. That the request. So they don't let you create the domain. I guess you have to create the domain, then come here and enable it.
Enable, disable can be done here. That's what I think. Yeah.
So it may be delete. Delete is, they allow delete, but
Okay, that's fine. Go through. Go. What you can do is, this is the 53 page book. Why can't you quickly go through this book and execute all the operations?
Okay.
This is what your work today.
Okay. So I don't use this curl. I just use a SOAP UI, right?
Yeah, don't use curl. Just SOAP. Just copy the request. You don't need to copy the request. You have operations on the SOAP UI, right? Click the corresponding operation and execute it.
So we did the get device information. We did that, right?
Yeah, right. You don't need to copy anything. Your request is already there, right?
Right.
Only thing is, if wherever the question markers comes, you need to replace the question mark with proper value.
Right. So get device information.
What today what you have to do is, I will tell you, open the text pad. These are your exercises.
Okay. Text file?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Create new domain from using web UI.
Create new domain using web UI. Okay.
And create a new user for the domain.
Create new user for the domain. Yeah.
And create another domain and create another user.
Create another domain using web UI. Fourth, create new user for this domain. Okay.
Okay, I will tell you one thing. You try to do that thing. If you cannot, I will help you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
The fourth one is okay. Save it. Save it.
Fifth one.
Fourth user, right? The fourth point, right? The create new user for this domain.
Yeah.
And that the create new user which have access to both domains.
Okay. For this
You try it
domain
yourself.
and the previous created domain.
This is a tricky part. This is a little bit tricky part, but
Okay.
try to do it yourself based on the handbook and reference material or Google it. If you
Okay.
cannot able to do it, I will help you. Okay, tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And fifth point.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
Proceed. You don't want more exercise?
No. I did by mistake.
It's okay. I'm getting.
Yeah. Fifth point.
Go through the SOMA handbook and execute all sample operations.
Soma handbook and execute all operations.
All sample operations listed. Okay. Not all operations. There's a lot of operations.
Execute
All sample. Yeah. All sample listed. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to complete all the exercise. Okay.
Okay.
You know how to create domain, how to create new user. You saw that on the day I when I am doing it, right?
Yeah, I think I did.
It's very simple. Go there and search domain. Go to DataPower box. Search domain. There's application domain, right? You can create there. The same way search user.
Mm-hmm.
The ad is the creating a new domain, okay? The same way you can search user.
Manage
You can create a new user account, or you can create a manage user account. You can change the user account, okay?
Okay.
You can create a new custom user group as well.
Mm-hmm. What's the difference between user and user group?
User is one user. User group is the group. It's called the admin group, developer group, QA group.
Oh,
and
I
you
see.
add the user to that group. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Try to do all those things today. Okay.
Okay. Sounds good.
So if you're facing any issue, note it down, or try to solve yourself by Google it or from the handbook, exercise book.
Okay.
If you cannot, I will help you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah. See you then. Thank you.
See you tomorrow, man. Take
Yeah.
care. Yeah. Bye.
Thanks.